Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Sin 45 plus theta minus cos 45 minus theta is what? So let's first use the identity sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and we know cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now using this we have sin 45 plus theta, therefore sin 45 plus theta minus cos 45 minus theta will be equal to sin 45 cos theta plus cos 45 sin theta minus cos 45 cos theta plus sin 45 sin theta. Now here if we open the bracket we get sin 45 cos theta plus cos 45 sin theta minus cos 45 cos theta minus sin 45 sin theta. Now let's take the terms of cos theta together and sin theta together. So we can take cos theta common out of them and sin theta common out of these two. So we get cos theta common, sin 45 minus cos 45, and then plus sin theta common, cos 45 minus sin 45. Now we know sin 45 equal to cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. So this gives us cos theta multiplied by 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus sin theta multiplied by 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So this gives us answer as 0. This 0 multiplied by something, 0 plus 0 multiplied by something, that is 0. So answer is 0. Answer is option A.